Let's talk about scaling your cash flow. This is module 12 of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp review, Super Affiliate Network review, and you here at module number 12, scaling the cash flow. So if you have not joined the Profit Boosting Bootcamp yet, click on the link below in the description box for you can go ahead and get started. When you sign up, tell your advisor you want the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. It's 15 modules, so I'm doing a 15 module review, and we're here at number 12 right now. We're talking about cash flow. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more edutainment information on a daily and even weekly basis. Now, this video training here is very important. Like all the modules in this program, it's important because this is about scaling your cash flow, that daily profit, information. And you know what? Results are not typical. That's really in this training here. But I really believe with the right education in the right direction, you'll get that information and that advice and that action steps, just like it says back there, of learning how to create killer affiliate sales funnel and where you are at as a super affiliate fit in. Now, in this video training here, this is about 29 minutes long, and it really shows you and teaches you what's the actually sales funnel all about in terms of the affiliate sales funnel, and learn about scaling your cash flow. I'm going to play a little bit of this video, and then I'll go to the next video as well.
Will get is clearly stated in the headline of the actual capture page, and again is something that solves a problem for our prospect, your prospect. In direct response marketing, you always want to be moving your prospects away from a fear or pain or toward.
I want to pause it right there. I'm only play a couple of seconds of it, but right here it says something like that you really need to know. You always want to be moving your prospect away from fear and pain and towards desire and pleasure. Man, you're going to learn so much when you watch this video training here, because you're going to be unlocking that lead machine. You're going to understand exactly how to get leads. Oh my goodness. Watch this video maybe once or twice. I watched this 3 times because when I watched it the first time, I didn't understand the whole moving my prospects away from the pain and fear and towards the pleasure and the desire. So you want to watch this video multiple times when you get to this module 12 section here. And really, after this, you want to go ahead and watch this video here. And this is bridging to a higher conversions and profits. So this is definitely talking about your cash flow, method and uplifting your business. So I'm going to play just a little bit of this video as well.
And authority in the marketplace, which is of course your number one goal. I can't stress it enough. As an affiliate marketer, if you're in it to win it, you absolutely need a bridge page. So having said that, let's go ahead and dive into all the various components of a well-built bridge page and exactly.
And that's just a little bit of the second video of this training. I just want to play a little bit of it, and just give you a sneak preview, a couple of seconds of it, because I want you to watch the entire training. This is about 29 minutes long, and this is about 14 to 15 minutes long. They're not that long, but it's viable education of building an online business, scaling your profit, scaling your business, understanding what affiliate sales funnel is all about, what is the stages of growth in terms of what you need to do each and every single day to take action. And I want you to bridge your profit. I want you to bridge to a higher conversion in the profit, and you'll learn strategies just like this in the first 2 video trainings. And then here is a bonus creation. This is a bonus creation right here in a coaching and mentorship program. So you definitely want to pay attention to this as well. This is about 15 minutes long. This module 12 is packed with a lot of value, because you're getting basically 3 video training, plus you're going to get some additional resources as well. So watch this video here. I'll play just a few seconds of this as well.
Getting a girl's phone number, following up, and then getting a date, right? So going from, or maybe performing well on the date to have a girlfriend. In the internet marketing world, there's a few very specific things that people need to overcome in order to go from stuck, struggling, overwhelmed with their.
That's Misha Wilson, the CEO of the Super Affiliate Network. He is also right and behind the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, and he's talking about value. He's talking about that pain to pleasure, if you think about it. So you're going to learn more about this in the entire video. It's a bonus creation. It's talking about lead generation. It's talking about your prospect, getting leads, communication with your leads, and a lot more. So this is like one of the best bonus creation videos in this entire program, because he breaks it down very step by step of how to get leads, how to communicate with leads, and what's going on in the mindset of a prospect. So you definitely don't want to miss this bonus creation as well. And this resource is really valuable because it's more video training. The 60-second sales hook, my bridge pay video to reverse engineering, the bridge page to reverse engineering. So you're gonna learn more about that as well. And you're also gonna get more information about the video challenge. You can kind of watch that as well, but pay attention to all the video training here. This is impactful, good, really good information. And module 12, the biggest takeaway from module 12, fill out this information there, give it to your advisor, and then you'll move on to module number 13. My review of this is, I think this is one of the best modules, is because you're getting a lot of information, you get a lot of impactful training that you're getting. And what I learned a lot about it was, I really learned about the pain to pleasure mentality in terms of, communicating with your prospect and understanding what your prospect needs, wants, and the desires are. And also, I really learned about the 60-second sales hook. That was something that I really understand in terms of the bridge page, of putting myself out on video, understanding exactly how to present in the camera. And you definitely want to be able to be yourself in the terms of when you're talking to somebody like right now. But you'll learn all this when you go through the training here. Don't forget to click on the link below to get started with this Profit Boosting Bootcamp. Yes, this is 2021 and it's all ready for you right now. So click on the link below in the description box to get started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And once again, when you get to this page here, the biggest takeaway, fill this out, all the takeaways from the actually assignment, and then put your best email in here for your advisor will get that, and then you'll move on to module number 13. I'll see you on the next review of module 13. But if you haven't yet, click on the link below to get started with the bootcamp. Get started with the Profit Boosting Bootcamp today, and I'll see you in module 13.